I'm the seed of Christ, I'm unstoppable. I reign in life, that's who I am. And because of the Holy Spirit, I carry God on the inside, everywhere I go.
Sometimes people go to talk say superstition not good, tradition not good, culture not good, this one not good. See, may I tell you, e get some superstition wey be say if you really put your eye down, put your mouth down, put your ear down, put your body down, calm down, you go know say e dey real. Based on how based on how their belief be, based on how that particular community they believe on their culture. E get one particular village for Africa where one horse come dey sick, and they say their people, they call it superstition, but they say their belief there rather, if any horse they sick, the only thing wey they need, no medicine, the only thing they need wey that horse go take stand up. Now if woman wey be say na only one man, that woman wey dey husband house, so no be all those girls, so woman no be virgin, woman be say na only one man she don't know for all her life, pass am, the horse go stand up immediately. People say people come dey ask, well, how that thing go take dey possible for this life? You say any woman wey be say e dey husband house, na only man, no, a man wey is virgin and I still dey with her. I wan show una the video. As he just jump, as he just pass out, so they all just jump. People carry the woman up. I wan show una the video. Essentially.
I read a Facebook.
No, I'm sorry, you are left
You see, now people they call it superstition, and it become real. See, I want just tell on our beg. I don't say this is why they talk people fit say don't make sense, so but I talk about if native doctor come pay me, so I help me do my program, I go do one. I'll be money. You understand? If God come and say, help me do my program, I go do one. If you not like, when I criticize, because not only how to criticize, now some people know how to carry, person problem put for your problem. How to drink paradox for another person matter. Waiting I want just talk, make we try respect other people's tradition. That has been the problem we get today. I got most especially people will be saying that they Spain, País Vasco, Bilbao, specifically. No be only that place, so Italy, some other country, Turkey, People will say, we Christian, we don't do this. But it gets some benefit where we say they give people there. You know where that money they come from? And those people, every year that they do their festival, their carnival. And at the end, your baby, some of maybe you know a pastor, maybe you go say, he go pass. Daddy, I want to buy this sweet. Okay, you will buy and give her. But now from there they come from. Even from the money where we say every year they will give church one particular money. Every year they will give organization one particular money. Every month they give people, we say they qualify money. You know where that money they come from? That money has been consecrated with that. I mean, along with that their carnival. Please respect people tradition. Now tradition be one of the things they kill Nigeria today. Any pastor we see for all time, they will say tradition is very bad. Tradition is this. Tradition is this. Respect tradition. I'm telling you. Just imagine what will happen now. But wait, now wow, that woman trial. Although this one still they tell women, always control yourself. Always maintain yourself. Always respect that pride, that integrity where you get. Always. No matter the hard time. Always maintain yourself. Try your best to make sure you maintain yourself. I remember a girl told me I want to travel that time. My pastor come and tell me, he say, this journey you are going is going to be hard. The thing it can't be like for my heart when I hear it. But it was even more harder than what in the talk. Where people die. You say, but irrespective of the hardness, I no misbehave. I no misbehave. I was still able to reach my destination. See, no matter what in life, life is a journey. You try your best to make sure you are never distracted anyway so that you finish your destination. When you are, so I always tell people in every level in life, there's always a devil. So every level where they reach, there must be tribulation, temptation, trials, problems. You must make sure you stand. Even your close ones, devil can use them. Try your best to stand your ground, maintain your ground. Why they talk this thing? Just imagine the result of when someone they alone, no matter the problem. Nobody even, you see the way they even as the horse just stand, they even forget the horse. You see the way, not even the horse they even go carry, even the horse not even. Now the woman they go carry. Very rare. I know say some of now the way they look now, some of now still the way we say yes. Things now say the same thing. But maintainer. Another thing I first talked before. Respect people's tradition. Respect people's tradition. Respect her. It's just like one don't be say I go one cherubim and seraph where we say I go act. When I read there, I see where they push you. I put my shoe for front before I enter. Respect people culture. Respect people tradition. No they criticize anybody. Now then you will see Muslim go criticize Christian go criticize Muslim. No, respect people's tradition. If na so Europe be, on Africa will be so na day road to the not go Nigeria. Europe will not care whether you be Muslim, you be Christian, you be British, you be this one. They carry everybody equally. Because their own are just like this. They all done like they go where they want to go. But we will be say, we want fight, Eli Jesus, and others Allah Akbar, and we they fight ourselves. But those people will be say their own are just like this. They come out, they are living in peace, and God is blessing them. They respect their tradition, they respect their culture. But we, now we know God pass. We are too mastic. We are too over righteous, over spiritual. We they chop garri with God. Now then you go say, God spoke to me. I hear it clearly. God said, my son. I say, yes, daddy, speak to me. Yet we are still struggling with life. We are still enslaved to those we think that they have left God. We were there with God, but we are still enslaved to them. Oh God, oh. Now God will help us. At least I love this. Make we try, make we obey people's opinion, make we obey people's choice, make we obey people's tradition. Yes, traditions still they work. If you like, carry knife, no, come cut my name because I talk say tradition no bad. Tradition is never bad. Yeah, we they live that kind of wrong life before. And it's multi-tradition, and it's I know. Any pastor where they climb water, God they tell you say, may you decline any tradition for your village. That pastor, he not pray good for you. He not pray good for you. Ask that pastor whether when he married, whether he not do traditional marriage. What do you call a traditional marriage? Even see, oh God, even see Baba, I don't know if Baba na self, I know that day. When the daughter do marriage, they do tradition. And now we, yes, I was once there. I'm talking of one church. I was once there. But now we go criticize tradition past. We just have to please. I beg. If we keep on doing this thing and let's go back to our root. I don't want to say we will live. No, we will see Nigeria go better today. Nigeria go better. In fact, Africa go better today. We no go they go Europe with leg. Now they go even they come our place with leg. For greener pasture. But we just need to upgrade ourselves. We have forgotten our root. We have forgotten where we are coming from. It's just like before I go, sorry for the time, just like when one guy they tell me, I go, this one, you go blow your mind though. I go tell you, most of them like him. One guy tell me, no, I'm not from Edo State, I'm from Zion. I'm from Zion. And I say, bros, calm down. See. And I know this guy well. I say, bros, calm down. If your pastor, they pay me hair, you still go pay me your hair. He get money, wait till they treat him. Even every 30 seconds. You don't get the money. After I say, my God, Nadia day before. I have lived that life before. If your pastor, they tell you, say, he not be from Edo State, he not from Zion. Ask him, make he bring form where he take register a church. Whether na Zion I put for a state of origin. Or whether na Zion he right put for local government. Or whether na Zion he right put for what did they call this thing now? Even residential. Whether na Zion right put. You go see, say for Ifon, you go see Edo State, Nigeria. But you will come to me and deceive you and say, yeah, of course. We are all from Zion, but again, where we come from, we have roots. I can never tell someone, say, I'm not from so place like this. If you can't die, they'll come carry your corpse. Yeah, they'll put her for outside. Hey, it's no black, come and carry her, come fly, go Zion. See, may we respect people's culture. God not give us power to preach a pattern so that we go use and take criticize other people's choice. God give us power to show love, to encourage people, not to discourage them, to bring people together, not to discriminate them. I don't get what I want to talk. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Agbons TV. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook page, Agbons TV. The Minister for Transport, the former governor of Rivers State, Honorable Amaechi, Rotimi Amaechi, you know, he don't come out with a very hit song. I said, this thing, when I see him, the thing shocked me. The thing shocked me. It shocked me. When I see him, I say, what? With this thick voice?
I know say many of you don't see the video because the video, you know, it don't trend. Na former governor, na minister, na any singer, it will still go viral. I want more still play, I want still listen to the song. And I will just have the songs more. Essentially.
As a people, the Lord has chosen as his heritage.
Bless the people the Lord has chosen as his heritage.
The word of the Lord is faithful, and all his works to be trusted. The Lord loves justice and right, and his merciful love fills the air.
Bless the people the Lord has chosen as his heritage. Bless the people the Lord has chosen as his heritage.
By the word of the Lord, the heavens were made. By the breath of his mouth, all their host, he spoke and it came to be. He commanded, it stood in place.
Bless the people the Lord has chosen as his heritage. Bless the people the Lord.
When I hear that, when I see this song, he just sing him with the family. You know, what I want to talk about this, you know, say, most of those politicians, once they know say they don't do bad finish, they God, I better help me this time, take your time. Once they don't do bad finish, they come feel say, na song they want to release to please God. Very soon now come here say, Buhari go release your song. Obasanjo go release your song. Tinubu go release your. Oshomole go release your. Now so all of them all they release their song, they come. You understand? Even this man now, Dino Milai, that one don't they release many songs. That one don't even become a comedian and a gospel artist. You understand? Oh God! This is going to bless our soul. So, which means as from now, before you want to marry for church, you have to sing a Amechi song. Before you want that, so Anglican, Catholic, Methodist, you know, there is what they call procession or resection. Oh God! The thing there, I see they sing and inside me. I see they enjoy the song. Oh, boy, sing for yourself. If this kind of person they just reach heaven, you know, throne of, you know, judgment throne, go tell us, say, who gave you the talent to sing? I don't think I gave it. Although anyway, I just want to say congratulations to him, Sha. You understand? But I know say our politicians, once we don't know say we don't fuck up, then we're going to become comedians. We're going to try to do something to win the heart of, you know, the heart of the masses, so that your next election better. Very soon I will tell you say you want to come out for president. So that this him now, all the churches will come the singer. Understand? Well, I just want to help and promote his song. I bet more than play the song, more than go download that for YouTube. I don't even know the name of your YouTube, sir. I don't know the name of your YouTube. Well, anyway, more than just go search Governor Amechi Music. You go come out and I will download that. I bet more will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook page Agbons TV. I God will bless you. We still they try, they avoid problem. You know, not be everybody when you see for road, no be full human being. It gets some way be say they be living dead. You know, say it get one a poem for Waek Oneko where talk about casualty. The poem say casualty are not only those that are dead, but those that are waiting dead by installment. So people do be say their life they depreciate. gradually until where they just meet their full bus stop. You know, you get one guy where be say the guy grab, you know, he want show body. You understand? And just 8 seconds or 9 seconds video. You understand? So the guy, I don't know what happened, or maybe now the other man first slap him or hit him. He just carry on as if now a bag of Smith. Bah. Now so the man take go. I want me to just play the video small so that to go see and I'll still they play for street. Essentially. You can imagine. You know, I always they talk and I'll still talk today. It is more better to be a fool for 5 minutes and be wise forever than to be wise for 5 minutes and be a fool forever. Just imagine that man now. And that person will be say he just hit for ground, he just kill so. Maybe that guy is already in a living dead. Maybe he just a look for person where we say he just hang himself on. And you self, you just mumu, just fall put. Sometimes see, if person say he will feel beat me, I go leave her. Remember, say somebody don't threaten me, a guy like me, tell me, say you will go down. You don't tell. You don't tell. You understand? And I see them say you will go down, can't go the meet and go there. No, I don't do that. Now children they do that kind of thing. No be everybody when you see for street. No be their life complete. Someday they look for who they want to put their problem on. It gets some way you just slap them, they don't go. You understand? You just slap them, they just go. You get one program where we say I just watched that time. I watched the program and where the husband and wife they know that they exchange words. The woman just they try, the man just push out. I mean, leave me. Now the girl just go hit wall. No be here though. I say just go, just from there die. And then now he can't run go meet his friend. Tell his friend say see what happen now. His friend now girl go have to use that one. Tell you say he must marry, and otherwise the whole world go here say he kill his wife. Until one day the woman's sister, and they not just on something coincidental, they just meet. The woman's sister say since when this thing happen, the man just they run from her. And I would say the man saying for just tell the truth. Now the woman's sister, now they go tell the family say his sister had already died before that moment. Say the group where the sister belonged to, they already tell her say now that's so day now she go die. But she just look for somebody where she want just hang her put. Now she just go hang her put for her husband. Sometimes we just have to be careful to have understand. We have to avoid problem. We have to avoid problem like this. Just imagine I say this guy now, you just go waste the rest of your life for prison. Okay, what thing go stop you from being a fool for just 5 minutes? Yeah, make the guy talk, rake, then do leave him. But you just carry him as if na bag of rice, as if na bag of meat. If the same you will carry bag, you don't fit to carry human being, person papa, naka for grant. And you get power pass. I beg my, just waiting I want to be say, Mona just dey careful. Not be everybody na say for street, not be incomplete. So people do, somebody fit come match your leg. Now something cost am, now something you need. No give her that way you need. Just keep quiet, leave her. Just keep silent, leave her. They'll say silent is the best answer to it. If you like, take what I tell you. If you like, no take her. It will call me. I've been more subscribe to Agmos TV on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, Agmos TV, and God will bless you.